This hearty and comforting salmon soup makes a perfect cozy meal to warm up on a cold day. It combines tender potatoes, sautéed vegetables, and fresh salmon in a creamy broth. Peel and cube the potatoes. Add water to a large pot with 2 cubes of bouillon. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat to medium-low and allow it to gentle simmer until potatoes are fork soft. Meanwhile, prepare the rest of the ingredients. Grate carrot and finely chop an onion. Check the salmon fillet for any bones and remove them. Cut the fillet in about 1-inch cubes and set aside. If you would like a printable recipe, check out the link in my description below. Preheat a skillet on medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil followed by diced onion. Sauté until golden brown or transparent. Then add grated carrots and sauté for another minute or two. Lastly, add a can of diced tomatoes with its juice and press a couple cloves of fresh garlic. It is best to use fresh garlic for the depth of flavor. Once the potatoes are fork soft, skim off the starch on the top of the water as much as possible. Then add the sautéed vegetables, cubed salmon, and heavy whipping cream. Season the soup with salt and black pepper to taste, and lastly add Parmesan cheese. You can use dried or freshly grated. Bring the soup back to a boil and turn off the heat. I like to skim off some of the fat on top, but this step is completely optional. Stir in some freshly chopped dill if desired, and it is ready to enjoy.